Now to proceed with the next video, I think the next video should be how to make sales in the shop. Understand? So now, as we have already created the creating of a new product and adding up the purchase, then now the next is to show up how to make sales in the shop after adding up a product and then maybe possibly adding up a new purchase. You can just have to show up how to add up make sales in the shop. Now I'll click on this POS, that is point of sales. I'll click on the POS. Depending on what you have and the items you registered, it will have to be displayed here. We have only one packaging, and if you have 1,000 items, everything will be displayed here. And we can also click and it will display here to be sold, and we can type. If you have to type, we just type TU. Automatically, system will prompt out what we want to sell by typing TUR to make it unique. Understand? So now the TUR will now show us the item we want to sell. And you understand? And then we have another way of adding it up by clicking on the item itself. And I will show you all on how to add up item by clicking this. And I will now delete this that you have already searched and it prompted. Let me just show you by clicking. Or I can quickly click, it will be accumulating here. That is to show that this clicking is working. You understand? In order not to delay you much here, then I will now click here. You notice that it is adding it to the other one, meaning you can use this to select as much as you like. You understand? And as far as the item is here, you can use this plus to increase it. You understand? And you can use this minus or reduce it. You understand? So now, another good thing is that you can decide to make a higher sale to a particular customer or give a discount to other person. You understand? Now the default selling price of this is 47,000 naira, and you can decide to sell it 57,000 to a particular customer depending on the discussion or the agreement being negotiated. So now I have to be fast enough, then I'll say 57,000 to just only this customer. You understand? I will not do much thing here. I will just type the 57,000 naira and close it. So system will automatically change the price for that person to 57,000 naira. And you remember we have 150 items in the shop. And once we make sales, the system will automatically minus the total item we sold from the current stock. Now we are selling 7 pieces of packaging. Then now we click on cash, or maybe if you have to pay with bank transfer, I'll click on multiple pay. Then but now we are paying with cash, you click on cash here. So once you click on cash, system will automatically generate the receipt. And generating the receipt, you can still make it, you can still disable it so that it more automatically generates the receipt for you. But in order to show you how this can be done, you can connect a printer. Understand? Once the printer is connected, because I don't have any printer here, but once you have a printer connected, you can just quickly click on this and then print. So and printing is number then 3. So if you don't want to print, you can cancel. And once you cancel, it will still show you up the sold item, meaning that it already been sold. Now to confirm what we did now, we just have to go back to the products. Understand? To the products. Sorry, I cannot be fast enough though. But let me just go to the list products. This is the list POS showing you what you made. This says you made per day. This one is being displayed here for the list product. But what our concern is to know if the quantity can be reduced from the existing quantity. Then we have to quickly come here now. You understand? You click on this list products. It will bring you here, which is all the products. So now we have really took it as our product, and now we are having 150 and we sold 7. So now the system is working perfectly fine. Then we have already sold 7. That is why you are seeing 143 pieces here. So the 7 have been sold. And you can easily print the receipt or you proceed with other things. Then we will cancel or print the receipt or we proceed with other things. Now we are going to end it here, because and if there is any other question you can still call or ask me in this place, then I can do a video and send to you. Thank you.